Hi, guys. I am Haley and welcome to our online video presentation for Wing IceDet, a Wing ice detection API. More details you may find on our website here. But for now, let us just start. Agenda. What is Wing IceDet? Which are the benefits? How to use it? Input and output JSON strings. Pricing packages. What is Wing IceDet? Wing IceDet is a Wing ice detection API powered by artificial intelligence and powerful cloud infrastructure. Target audience. This API is meant for IT developers which are making apps to recognize wing ice in a photo taken by a camera. Domains of using it: surveillance cameras for planes' wings from front or above. Which are the benefits? Automated process. All processes are automated. You just have to follow the required rules for getting a high accuracy reading. Easy to integrate in your apps. We have multiple sample source codes presented on our website written in different programming languages which will help any developer to easily integrate the API in the apps. Chat support 24/7. If you have questions or need some help, we are glad to quick answer you and offer the best we got. You own commercial copyright. Call our API in your apps and feel free to sell your applications without any extra fee. How to use it? Register a new account on our website with real data. Log in to our website, go to pricing and click on Try It Now blue button. Construct your input JSON string as instructed. Send post request with your input JSON body and required headers to our API. Get JSON response from our API which contains recognized wing ice from photo. Process our API response and use it as you wish in your apps. You own commercial copyright for use our API. Input and output JSON strings. You have at the left side the input JSON string which contains the input photo as base 64 encoded string or as URL from the web. At the right side you have the output JSON string which contains predictions of wing ice made with certain probability score as you may see here. Pricing packages. Common features. Unlimited devices. Get wing ice in one photo. Get confidence score for recognized wing ice in the photo. Administration console. Premium support through online chat and/or tickets, very supportive help and quick responses. For the free 7 days trial you have 50 daily requests, no copyright. For monthly and yearly tiers you have 10,000 predictions per month, commercial copyright. Monthly tier is $80 and yearly tier is $816 with 15% discount included. Thank you so much for watching this video. I am Haley and I am looking forward to visit us on our website here. Have a super nice day.